The holidays are here. In this video, I'm gonna tell you my top 3 favorite ways to avoid overeating at large holiday gatherings. And make sure if you are an overeater, stay tuned till the end where I'm gonna tell you my bonus tip, and this one is going to save you. So with holiday gatherings, it is so easy to overeat. We're socializing, we're not always paying attention to how much we're eating. We might be snacking or munching while we're talking to people, and easily this could go overboard. So my first tip for you for how to avoid all of this disaster is to exercise the morning of your large holiday gathering. Exercise is so important for firing up our metabolism, getting our blood pumping, and not only that, exercise is really helpful for our sleep. And of course, if you sleep enough, your body's gonna be energized enough the day after. When we're tired, we often reach for more food because our body's craving energy, and the easiest way to get energy fast is to eat. So make sure you set up your body systems right with the right balance of health. By the way, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm a medical doctor. I was trained in Italy, and this channel is all about helping you master your health. So here's my second tip for you to avoid overeating at the holidays, and it's to stay hydrated throughout your holiday meal. This is really important for 2 reasons. First of all, when we're thirsty, we could easily mistake that for hunger, and you don't want to be reaching for extra food when that's really not what your body needs. And the second reason to stay hydrated is because often at the holidays, we're eating extra special drinks. We're having sugary beverages like punch or soda, or even alcoholic drinks. So to balance out that equation, you're gonna wanna make sure that your body has enough water in it to feel good all day long. If you're liking this content and it's working for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is my third tip for you for how to avoid overeating at the holidays, and it is to not eat in between the meals. Now, this is easier said than done. In some families, like in mine, we would literally have a pre-Thanksgiving stand around the island of the kitchen eating extravaganza. The entire table would basically be one big cheese board, and we had fig wrapped this and olive stuffed that, and it was so tasty and delicious, but by the time we got to our Thanksgiving dinner, we would all be full. So if this is problematic for you, here's my tip. Make sure that you're only eating food when you're actually sitting down at the meal. And this is easier said than done in certain social settings where other people around you are gonna be snacking. So to break up that awkwardness, make sure to have a drink in your hand during these in-between times. It can be a healthy beverage like a tea, a coffee, a water, you name it, but it's not gonna be so awkward if you're standing around other people when they're eating if you're having a drink. Now, before we dive into my bonus tip for you, for the one thing you should be doing if you are overeating, recognize that this information is so important because we really do need to take care of ourselves since our health is our power. And if this is valuable for you and you know you're learning something here, consider sharing this video with somebody you care about. When we are healthy, our community is healthy and our world is healthy. And believe me, we do not want to be living in an unhealthy world. So if you are at a holiday meal where you tend to overeat, here's what you gotta do. When you go for your first plate, make sure you hit on the healthy trifecta. And this is healthy fats, fiber, and protein. This is the nutrition your body really needs. And not only that, it's gonna help slow down your digestion and improve your blood sugar increasing and then decreasing after the meal, which will overall help your energy levels. Not only that, you're gonna be setting yourself up for feeling fuller earlier. Now, if you are gonna be overeating and you're gonna go for that second plate, the best thing I can recommend you to fill up on is protein. In general, we usually overdo it in simple carbs like sugary foods and fats, and we often underdo it in the protein department. So this is your golden opportunity to load up on protein. That's also going to help sustain your energy for the whole day. Now, I want you to tell me something and share below. What is your favorite way to stay healthy during the holidays? What are your tips and tricks that you've learned, and what things do not work for you? Share below with us so we can learn from each other in our healthy community. And if you want to prepare something tasty and healthy for the holidays, I can't recommend enough watching this video here where I go over how to make easy roasted vegetables for the holidays or anytime. Check out that video. I'll see you over there.